Whether I'm headed out for a weekend camping adventure or just need a way to secure my gear, the Deezee Guardian Tonneau cover is going to be my new best friend for all of my outdoor adventures. The rear panel opens easily thanks to these dampened gas shocks, which can be easily detached thanks to this quick release button. This allows the rear panel to fold over 180 degrees for open access. And the lockable handle is connected to these full-length locking rods that'll keep my gear secure. The Guardian Tonneau cover features outer extrusions, giving me endless options for tie-downs and accessories wherever I need them. With an impressive weight rating of 800 pounds, I can transport all of my essentials with any T-Slot compatible crossbars or racks. Constructed from .056 bright tread aluminum, this cover is built to last, and it has a texture black powder coat finish and die-cast corners for added durability. The channel system drains water away from the tonneau surface while the tailgate seal keeps the dust out, ensuring my gear stays clean and dry no matter the conditions. Proudly made in the US, the Guardian Tonneau cover is crafted with high quality and attention to detail. So whether I'm hitting the trails, going camping, or just need a reliable cover for my truck, the Deezee Guardian Tonneau cover is the perfect choice.